Drywells, residential drywells, commercial drywells in North Macomb County, Michigan, North Oakland County, Michigan. This is a home that had a spring pop up underneath the basement floor. It's a walkout basement. So what we did is we took a drywell. We ran 130 feet of pipe behind the house where we had 2 feet of fall. We went 6 feet deep with this drywell. The deeper you go, the less chance of freeze come winter. You always want to go a minimum of 5 feet deep here in Michigan so that you don't freeze. You don't want your drywall to freeze. The spring runs 24/7. We put in a 30-inch diameter drywell. Goes down 6 feet deep. There's no floor, it's just set on a bed of stone. The Schedule 40 white pipe that you see there, that's tied into the footer tile with a couple of cleanouts because they get red oxide in their water and it's going to need to be cleaned out periodically. The yellow pipe you see, that's our traditional French drain system. If you subscribe to our channel, you'll see how we do that. That's our insurance policy. That's below the footer tile. In the event anything should happen, our French drain will take over. We have 30-inch round, half-inch holes drilled from top to bottom. Soil that percolates. Very important. If you dig a hole in your backyard, fill it up with a hose, come back to it the next day, and it's still full of water, your soil doesn't perk, and a drywell is not going to work for you. We have about 1.5 foot of water, and again, this runs 24/7. The soil keeps up with it. Never gets any higher than this. For a residential or commercial drywell, for a drywell in Michigan, in North Macomb County, Michigan, or North Oakland County, Michigan, give us a call.